Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 GR is made, say, step by step. Here in the logistics bay, we utilize advanced automation to organize every component for the Toyota Land Cruiser 300.
High-strength steel is shaped with extreme precision to ensure durability and safety.
Check this joint here. Looks good, securing the bracket. Alignment is perfect, moving on. Check the fluid levels. Looks good, opening the hood. And that's how the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 GR is made, from start to finish.